Hi YouTube, I'm Shababs, and today we're going to unbox and review the MA35 Home Security Mini Intruder Alarm. This product is ideal to protect your property from unauthorized entry and theft. Built for indoor use, this product is simple and very effective, designed so that it can be armed and disarmed using this factory remote control. This package comes with 4 basic items. First, you have to know that this product is battery operated. It requires no wiring and it is very easy to install. So it comes with the intruder alarm itself. It comes with a booster siren which provides remote warning in another room. It comes with its remote control, and it comes with a 50 feet wiring here which is needed to connect these two together. So right here you have the remote sensor, and right here you have the low battery indicator. The movement sensor has an approximate range of about 6 meters, which is about 20 feet, covering a 30-degree angle on the vertical and 60 degrees on the horizontal. When you use the remote controls to arm the unit, should anyone enter the premises, you have an entry delay of 4 seconds. The 130 dB siren will then sound, which may be quickly activated and deactivated by the remote controls. Once triggered, the alarm will operate for 30 seconds before rearming and waiting for further movement. You can also wall mount this item or leave it free standing. As per the booster siren, it connects easily to the intruder alarm with a 50 feet cable which is provided. And once triggered, the alarm reaches 130 decibels. It also has its low battery indicator. And this product is suitable for homes, for apartments, for offices, garages, boats, recreational vehicles, and it uses 4 AA alkaline batteries, which is not included in this package. So without wasting more time, we will just go straight ahead and unbox. I hope you guys got a clear look on this MA35 Home Security Intruder Alarm and hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the installment of this piece in another video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel clicking on the subscribe button below. Until next time.